Hello, welcome to Just Prime, and as part of this video we are going to see how to write a hello world program using Eclipse in Windows operating system and what are the various steps are we involving here. So we are going to see all those things on my way. So let's jump into the first part. So the main prerequisites of this hello world program is we have to install Java, the first part, and the second one is Eclipse IDE. So these two things we have already covered as part of the previous videos. I will recommend you to visit the two videos before coming to here, then you can able to understand more on this. Okay, so first we have to open the Eclipse. So how to open the Eclipse? So basically we can able to see the Eclipse icon over here once after installing the Eclipse. So this Eclipse icon will be created automatically. Either you can click this one directly, or in case if you are not able to find this Eclipse icon, then go to your C drive, then you can able to find your users, and then you can find your laptop, Dell or whatever, and then you can able to see a Eclipse folder. You can open it, and then you can able to see the IDE, basically the version of IDE 2020-03. So this is the one we have installed as part of our previous videos. You can open it, and you can able to see the Eclipse icon over here. Either you can click on the desktop shortcut, or you can click this icon, anyone, both are the same. So I'm just going to click this one, then you can able to see this Eclipse IDE, and then on top of that you can able to see there is an option called workspace. So what is this workspace? Basically this workspace is basically we are going to write the programs. All these programs by default it is trying to create workspace location for us. See users tell Eclipse workspace. If you are not interested to store your programs in this particular location, so you can browse and you can navigate to whatever drive you are interested, whatever you can select it. So as part of this demo, just to make it simple, I'm just trying to create all of my programs into the same location. So I'm not going to change it here, but in case if you are interested to change, you can change it. So that's the main purpose of this workspace location. After that, once the workspace location is selected, then you can click on launch. So it's trying to opening our Eclipse IDE. Once it is loaded successfully, then we can able to start writing the program. Yes. So our Eclipse IDE loaded successfully, and then we can able to see the right panel here. The default is display create Java project, create project, all those things. In case if you are not able to see this create Java project, so then we can go here, file, new, and then come back to others. Just type here Java project, select here. So this Java project, it will come under Java folder. So this Java project will come under Java project. You can click on next, and then you have to give here Java project name. So I'm going to give here demo 1. So my project name is demo 1, and if you can see here, right, so all these projects will be saving under the default workspace location, like as part of the previous script we have already saw this one. See users Dell Eclipse workspace. So this is where all of our programs will be stored. Okay, so next, coming to the next section is JRE. So here this is very important point. Basically, like as part of the previous videos, we have already installed Java, and JDK 13 we have already installed. So the Eclipse is already trying to find out the available JDK in your machine, and it is trying to point it. So in case if you are interested to go back to the previous or older version, you have an option over here, so you can select it. So that's the one. Similarly, JRE also, if you want to go for some other JRE versions, you can select it, you can configure it accordingly. So you can add all the other version JDK or JREs, whatever is available in your machine. So there is an option or flexible Eclipse is giving to us. Okay, as part of this video, I'm just going to leave all these options default JRE, and then you can ignore all those things for now, and then you can click on next, and then finally we are going to finish it. So you will get an option here, create module info.java. For time being we can ignore this one, we don't need it. We just click don't create it. Yes. So finally we had got created our first Java project. So far we have not yet created the Java class. Our project got created, demo 1, and it's using JDK or Java 13 version, and it's all corresponding libraries. So it's supporting to our project, and below we can able to see our source or src. So basically all the Java classes or Java programs what we are going to write will be under this folder. So how to write the Java program or Java class? It's very simple. Just right click here and you can go to new, and then you can able to find here class. In case if you didn't find the class here, you just go to others and then you can type here class. So you can able to find class under Java folder. So you select it. So you can, so you will get the second menu. So basically here you can able to see here the name. So corresponding to name you have a text box here, so you can give here the Java class name. So I'm going to give here first demo. So this is my Java file name and class name. So you can click OK. Yes. So now it will create a file for you. The file name is firstdemo.java and the class name is first demo. So this is the class is a keyword and this is the class name. So in subsequent videos we are going to see what is keywords, what is variables, and those things. For time being, you just consider your class name and file name should be the same in Eclipse. If you are trying to change this file name to something else, Eclipse won't allow you, so it will give an error. So whereas in case of when you are trying to write a program using Notepad, so you can able to use a different last name and different file name, but Eclipse won't allow you to give the different name. So just try to remember, try to give the same file name and same class name, so that way it won't give any problem for you. So always try to give the class name as same as file name, so then you will not get any issues. So your class is ready. So after that what we have to do, we have to write a standard one, public static void main. So I'm just going to type it, public static void main bracket close bracket, and then you can write here string, sorry, string ors. Yes. So this is done. So now what I want to do, I just want to display a simple hello world message. So system hello world Java. So this is my first statement I want to display when I run this program. So as part of the previous video also, when I was trying to write a program by using the Notepad, we have typed it manually, and then after that we have written a statement system.out.println, and this was displaying in the console. The same program I'm just trying to write in using Eclipse. So we are going to see some of the difference here by comparing to our Notepad program and Eclipse program. So in case of Notepad, if you able to remember, so everything it was displaying in a black color. So there you cannot see any color indication, like class is in a different color, class name is in a different color, public static void, all these are keywords. So these keywords are in different color, and this is a method. So we are going to see all those things in subsequent videos, but basically so here we can able to see the different color indication. So this is one of the advantage when I'm trying to give the class name, when I'm trying to change the class name to different name and it's giving an error message, we can able to see the error messages. So basically all these errors we can able to see while writing the program. That time itself we no need to wait compile the program to see these kind of compilation errors. So these are the some of the advantages using an Eclipse compared to our Notepad program. So the first step is completed. The program we have already written successfully and there is no compilation errors. So how to run this program and how to see the output. To run this program, it's very easy. So we no need to write here Java C, Java commands. We are not going to execute anything here. All those things will be executed behind the Eclipse. So that's the main advantage. And second advantage, so we have written the program. Now how to run the program and how to see the output. So it's very easy. We just right click and then we can able to see over here run as Java program. Just select it here and you can select Java application. Here you go. We can able to see the level Java. So this is our output. And if you see here, right, so basically this Eclipse will use indirectly backend side Java or JDK wherever it got installed. So in my machine, basically the Java is installed in D drive. You can able to see here JDK 13.2 and it is pointing to bin folder. Inside the bin folder, we have all the commands are available like Java, Java C, all those things. It's using backend side. So this is the way we can able to write the hello world program and we can able to run the program and we can able to see the output in console. I think that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and you like the video, and if you like the video you can click the like button and subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.